Citation Regional Order Number R10-RAWD-2026-014, Medalya ng Kasanayan pursuant to the BFP Praise MC number 2024-009 Section 9.4 Paragraph letter T as approved by the CSC and the BFP R Praise Resolution number 2026-007 dated 13 April 2026. This Medalya ng Kasanayan BFP Efficiency Medal is hereby awarded to Fire Chief Inspector Mark E. Flores, Fire Senior Inspector Joyce U. Talines, Fire Inspector Stella Marie Simbahon, Fire Inspector Manuel Sipaculba, SFO2 Cindy A. Wow, SFO2 Marisol Calpocoro, SFO1 Isel Vidayata, SFO1 Analiza Eder, SFO1 Marilut Tibunani, SFO1 Michelle Baholo, SFO2 SFO1 Tani, SFO1 David Arayakay, SFO1 John Pauline, FO1 Colchina Ortizano, FO2 Dinidale G. Morales Abadis. To be received by Fire Chief Inspector Mark E. Flores, sir. This citation is hereby awarded to Fire Chief Inspector Lala Marie Timonela, Fire Senior Inspector Alana Perry Diani, SFO4 Julie D. Bulan, SFO1 Jessie P. Bukon, FO2 Lee Tamyok, FO1 Sam Acono, FO1 Alan Daba, FO1 Rodel Umbal, FO1 John Edward Lin, FO1 Grace Cañete, FO1 Analubag Galgao, FO1 Mark Andre Giovanni, to be received by Fire Senior Inspector Alana Claire Digaan, ma'am. Same citation is hereby awarded to Fire Chief Inspector Willie Junior M. Tan, Fire Chief Inspector Isagani Olmedo, SFO4 Adonis Lianas, FO2 Joan Kapatan, FO2 Lemuel Te, FO2 Gladys Tinistrante, FO1 Christy Bonita, FO1 Jomari Edgos, FO1 Kent Oleron, FO1 Giovanni Maestrado, FO1 Jeremias Magnaong, FO1 Kimberly Co, FO1 King Chinastro, to be received by Fire Chief Inspector Willie M. Tan. Same citation is hereby awarded to Fire Senior Inspector John Michael Tibal Morris, SFO4 Albina Rosario, FO3 Wilmar Dural, FO3 Reynald Montano, FO2 Ilan Carlo Agdas, FO2 Jules Brian Celeron, FO2 Justin Jacobor, FO2 Shakira Ruth Pui, FO1 Gabriel Alcesco, FO1 Joshua Espinosa, received by Fire Inspector Don Magal Morales. Same citation is hereby awarded to SFO1 Sheila Marie P. Bago, SFO1 Glenn Jill Lustre, FO2 Edmar Balasabas, FO2 Yuriale Nagasan, FO2 Reverend Dragas, FO2 Gia Bango, to be received by SFO1 Sheila Marie P. Bago. concludes our Monday flag raising ceremony. This has been your host, FO Turuan Shin Dami. Thank you and let's have a safe and productive week ahead.
Pinuno, tapos na po ginawang seremonya sa pagbibigay pugay sa pambansang Watawat ng Pilipinas. Hinihingi ng Pilipinas paglansa ng kulto. Harap sa likod. Harap! Mansap!